Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we take a walk at Karura Forest. We have started walking. I've just remembered to start this video now, but in between I'll do some compilation of what happened. So yeah, let's do this. Let's see where it goes, right? I'll take you guys along. I'll show you places and things that we have done. Right. Those are the people that I was walking with. I stood for a minute to pick work call. So here we are. The rest of the people are in front there. Let me see if you can see them. There they are.
So you can start with a day. Decide which one do you want. Do you want to play for Kenya? Do you want to play for Hekima? Unaingia.
These are my walkmates.
Wa mwisho.
Yeah, and she told me she won't make it.
We should be doing this once a month.
Down to the caves and to the waterfall.
Smooth.
Yeah, ashazoea.
Mimi unajua hata nilikuwa nafikiria nianze kupeleka Chanel.
Oh, we have to go. Yeah, like maybe we go the other side. We made it to the waterfall. And the air here is so fresh. So fresh. Can you imagine God created this? All this is God's creation. Oh gosh. See how beautiful it is. Beauty. See beauty. See beauty. See beauty. And the
I lost audio for this part while editing. My walkmate wanted me to her thermos from her backpack, so she can sip on tea while giving me tea while walking down the trails. See what I did there, lol.
My hike mate or my walk mate. So here she is. This is she. Beautiful. And the girl decided to hike with shoes without laces because she was in a hurry in the morning to come out of the house. So my shoelaces are in the car. Jesus.
But there are trails you can take kids, eh? Yeah. This side only works for adults and pre-teens, yeah.
Let's get the full hand. I can do this really.
Mahali ya salama. Nimeanza kunyati niko na pili.
Akasema I'm tired. The rest of the people that I came with, and we have gone up this thing, and it is what tiring, but so far so good. The adventure is good. We're live. So this is us, very tired, but it was worth it. It's a very good adventure to come this side and do some exercise, bond with the nature. It's a good thing. So finally we have finished. We are at this point.
We have conquered Karura.
Yeah, we have conquered Karura. Whew. At some point we were thinking, this thing is hard, but we have finished. So thank you guys for watching up to this. The next video. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
So finally we have finished. She has seen washroom, so she's excited. Umetupa? Wow. So we are finished Karura, and we're going to the washroom, and then we go to lunch. So yeah, that was it for Karura, guys.